Welcome to all. In this video we will discuss module 1. The topic is differential calculus 1 and the problem on the curvature. So this is the tutorial class, first tutorial class. So I explained the problem based on the curvature. Now this video also will explain more problems on the curvature. So directly we move the problem. So for the curve y equal to ax divided by a plus x, show that 2 rho divided by a power 2 by 3 equal to x by y whole square plus y by x the whole square. So we have to prove that. What is rho? Rho is nothing but radius of curvature. Clear? Yes. So what is radius of curvature formula? Yes, 1 plus y1 square power 3 by 2 divided by y2. That is the radius of curvature formula. So our aim is to find y1 and y2. How to find y1? So this is y equal to ax divided by a plus x. So y1 is the differentiate with respect to x. This is u by v form. So v square v into du minus u into dv. If you apply this condition, we will get a square divided by a plus x the whole square. This is y1, and y2 will get minus 2a square into a plus x power 3. That meaning is like this is a square. Can I write this is a plus x power minus 2? Then differentiate with respect to x, what will get? Minus 2a square into a plus x power minus 3. So can I write this is 1 divided by plus 3? Yes, so this is the value. So y1 again differentiate with respect to x, will get minus 2a square divided by a plus x the power cube. Now we got y1 value and y2 value. This two value you have to substitute in radius of curvature. That is rho equal to 1 plus y1 square power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Now rho equal to 1 plus a power 4 divided by a plus x power 3 by 2 into a plus x power 3 divided by minus 2a square. Okay. So this is cross multiply and we will get a plus x power 4, because this is cross multiply. We will get a plus x, and this one term is a plus x power 4 plus a power 4 power 3 by 2 into a plus x power 3 divided by minus 2a square into a plus x power 4 power 3 by 2. So this is a plus x power 4 plus a power 4 power 3 by 2 into a plus x power 3 divided by minus 2a square into a plus x power 6. Okay, then so r minus 2 rho equal to a plus x power 4 plus a power 4 power 3 by 2 divided by minus 2a square into a plus x power 3. So power, you have to multiply power 3 by 2 on both sides. Okay, so minus 2 rho power 3 by 2 by 3. Okay, then only it will cancel. So power of 2 by 3 multiply on both sides. So minus 2 rho power 2 by 3 equal to a plus x power 4 plus a power 4. This is multiply 2 by 3. What will get? This 2 term is cancelled. So this term and this term is cancelled. Not only numerator and also the denominator. So multiply 2 by 3 means we'll get here 4 by 3, and multiply 2 by 3 means we'll get 3 cancel 2. So we know that minus 2 power 2 by 3 equal to 2 power 2 by 3 plus only. Okay, then clearly this is 2 rho power 2 by 3 equal 1 divided by a power 4 by 3 into a plus x square plus a square divided by a plus x the whole square. But given the data y equal to ax divided by a plus x, so 1 divided by a power 4 by 3, that is a square x square divided by y square plus a square y square divided by x square. Yeah. So that is equal to a square divided by, so taking a square outside, a square divided by a power 4 by 3, that is x square divided by y square plus y square divided by x square. So 2 rho power 2 by 3 equal to simplify this room, will get a power 2 by 3. So this is x by y whole square plus y by x the whole square. Can we write this is x by y whole square, and we can write this is y by x the whole square. So 2 rho power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3 x by y whole square plus y by x the whole square. Thus 2 rho of a equal, taking this one opposite direction, will get divided by, so power is equal, then 2 rho by a power 2 by 3 equal to x by y whole square plus y by x the whole square. So hence the proof. Then second problem, show that the equilateral parallel are equal to a into e power theta cot alpha, where a and alpha are the constant of p by r is a constant. So we have to prove the radius of curvature rho by r is a constant. So r equal to a e power theta cot alpha, taking log on both sides, will get log r and log a plus theta into cot alpha into log e. But log e, we know log e value is 1, so only will get theta into cot alpha. So differentiate with respect to theta, will get 1 by r into dr by d theta equal 0 plus 1 into cot alpha. So dr by d theta equal to r1, then r cot alpha. So hence d square r by d theta square equal to r2, that is equal to r1 cot alpha, that is r into cot alpha into cot alpha. So we'll get r cot alpha, r cot square alpha. So we know the radius of curvature formula for the polar form. This is the polar form. The previous problem we discussed in the Cartesian form, but this problem is based on the polar form. So the formula is r square plus r1 square power 3 by 2 divided by r square plus 2r1 square minus r2. Substitute r value and r1 value. So r square plus r square cot square alpha power 3 by 2 divided by r square plus 2r square cot square alpha minus r square cot square alpha. So this is r square power 2 by 3 into 1 plus, this is 1, taking r square outside, will get 1 plus cot square theta. That is 1 plus cot square theta, that is cosecant square theta. So cosecant square alpha power 3 by 2 divided by, this is r square into 1 plus cot square alpha. Yeah. So this is 2 times and this is 1 time. So 2 minus 1 will get 1. So r square plus r square cot square alpha, then taking r square outside, will get r square into 1 plus cot square alpha. What is 1 plus cot square theta? Already I told, that is cosecant square theta. Okay, so this is multiply 3 by 2 inside, we will get this 2 is cancelled, we will get r cube. Then this term here also, this one cancel, we will get cosecant cube alpha, and here r square cosecant square alpha. So this is cube and this term is cancelled, and square and this one is cancelled. So we'll get r cosecant alpha. Which one? Rho equal to. So rho equal to r cosecant alpha. Clear? Then rho by r equal to, this is taking opposite direction, what will get? Rho by r. Rho by r equal to cosecant alpha. So clearly that rho by r equal to cosecant alpha. So hence the proof, rho by r equal to cosecant alpha equal to constant. Okay, so what we have to prove? We have to prove rho divided by r is a constant. That is our aim. Why it is a constant? Because a and alpha is a constant, then rho by r is a constant. Clearly see, rho by r, here alpha is a constant. So if it is constant means definitely cosecant alpha is also constant. So that is the proof, ends the proof. So that's all. I hope you are all understand the concept of radius of curvature. Problem is based on the Cartesian form and also a polar form. So first problem is the Cartesian form and the second problem is the polar form. Okay, so first you should memory two formulas for the radius of curvature. One is the Cartesian formula, another one is the polar form formula, and working procedure is similarly same for the both. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt,